Hi, welcome to my open house today. Come on in, let's look around. (819) Royal View in Maryville. This is the extra master bedroom. So extra primary bedroom. Gas. It's also a fireplace in the main living room. Sorry, moving fast. Here's the hall bathroom. Laundry room. Great features. The bedroom. Got another bedroom here. And the larger primary bedroom. Beautiful walk-in closet. Plenty of storage there. Double sinks in the bathroom. Of course, a soaking tub. Walk-in shower. One of my favorite things about this home is the backyard. Oh, before we go out, let's check out the view from the front. So you're sitting on your porch, your front porch, you've got this amazing view of the Smokies. It's probably hard to see on my little phone here. This great screened-in porch. They have shades installed to block the sun. These are really nice, and they hook on here. Got a gas spigot there if you want to have barbecue down there. Beautifully landscaped backyard. But one of the great things about this backyard, look at this landscaping. There is an outdoor kitchen. With a barbecue. Fire pit. Isn't this wonderful? And you've got a great view from here also. It's amazing. 819 Royal View in Maryville.